Hello, welcome to my channel. Yesterday I've got a delivery from Amazon and today we are going to do the unboxing. I know what is inside because I was wanting this for a long time and Pranesh bought this as an early birthday gift for me. And this is not a sponsored video because Pranesh got it on a special price and he bought this for me. We are going to unbox this and show you what I have. This box is so big, it's bigger than me. So here's my new air fryer. There was a second box and this is the third box. So we are going to open this box and take off our air fryer, give the basket a nice warm water wash and read the instruction and get back to you soon with the recipe. We have done reading our instruction. Firstly, I've got my basket washed out with warm water and we placed in a piece of parchment paper into the basket. This paper will avoid the oil and the juices from causing a mess. The quick recipe we're going to show you, I have 2 chicken quarters which I marinated last night with chicken tikka and sauce. Pranesh will link the recipe to you because we did this chicken tikka before. So as our first recipe with our air fryer, we're going to make a quick chicken tikka. I'm just going to place these into the basket. Now we are ready to slide our basket into the air fryer. So when your basket is in, your air fryer turns on. When this comes on, the setting is 200 degrees and 15 minutes. So we are going to press this menu button. As you can see, the menu is blinking for meat. So I'm going to press it again. So it comes to chicken. Chicken, the setting is 180 degrees and 25 minutes. Because I have small pieces of chicken, so we are going to decrease the setting. We are going to change the degrees to 160. So we press it down. So this was 4 times. Now we are going to set our cooking time to 20 minutes. And press the power button so it starts. As you can see, showing as it's heating up. When it's heated up, the time will start. It reached temperature and the timer has started. The buzzer has went off and we wasn't able to film it, but it does beep 3 times before going off. Now I am ready to open this and check onto the chicken. This is not really done, so we're going to give it a turn and put it in for another 10 minutes. But just be careful because the pot still remains very hot. So here I turned this chicken, and then I'm gonna slide it in again, holding the handle. I will press the power button. I will press the menu again 2 times. So now the chicken is flashing. Now I'm going to decrease my temperature and my time. I will press start again. Ten more minutes has passed and I'm ready to open this. As you can see, it's done. And then I'm ready to serve. The advantage of using the parchment paper did not mess up the basket. And we were also able to take some of the lovely sauce and pour it over our chicken. There you go, your lovely chicken tikka made in the air fryer, which was our first recipe, and I am very excited in making more recipes. If you have a lot of recipes, or if you want some recipes to be done in the air fryer, please leave a comment and we'll give it a try. We normally serve our chicken with some lovely naan or some chips on the side. We can also do chips in our air fryer. We'll give it a try another time. For now, we'll give our chicken a taste. And I also want to say a very big thank you goes out to Pranesh, who bought me a very early birthday gift. I celebrate my birthday in the month of July on the 11th, and I will be turning 64 years old. Thank you, son. I really needed a hair fryer so I can prepare some nice healthy meals for Pranesh. So we are going to end off here and we'll catch y'all on the next video. Thank you all very much for watching and enjoy.